Shrimate Ramanujaya Namaha. As we celebrate the 1007th Tirunakshatra of Uday Vibhushit Sri Ramanujacharya, we, the students of Venkatesha Gurukula, are here to give a brief information on Sri Bhashyakara. Let's learn about him at a glance.
Today is Tirunakshatra of Ramanujacharya.
The meaning of Ramanujacharya is brother of Sri Ram.
Ramanujacharya is known to be Acharya of Lord Venkatesh. He provided Shankachakra to Lord Venkatesh.
Sri Ramanujacharya was born 1007 years ago on the 1017 at the place named Sri Perumbudur, and he lived southern India during the 11th century.
We call Ramanujacharya Bhashyakar because he has written Sri Bhashya.
Ramanujacharya is also known as Bhashyakar.
Ramanujacharya is also known as the reincarnation of Lakshman, the divine serpent where Lord Vishnu sleeps.
Sri Ramanujacharya is considered higher than Sriman Narayan in our Sampradaya. He is even the Acharya of Lord Sriman Narayan.
He was deeply influenced by Alvars. Sri Ramanujacharya, who is considered as the founder of Vaishnavism.
The parents of Ramanujacharya were Kesav Somaji and Kantimati.
Sri Ramanujacharya is famous as the chief proponent of Vishishtadvaitva sub-school of Vedanta, which holds that the ultimate reality is infinite essence that manifests in three different ways.
Ramanuja's teachings were based on the idea of qualified non-dualism.
This means that there is a fundamental oneness underlying all existence, but this oneness is qualified by difference.
In other words, there is both unity and diversity in the universe.
According to him, the best means of attaining salvation was through intense devotion of Lord Vishnu.
Sri Ramanujacharya developed a theology that focused on an idea of redemption and taught that all people could achieve salvation.
Non-dualism philosophy helped differences between Vedanta and Bhakti religions of Hinduism.
In a nutshell, Ramanuja was a crucial figure in Sri Vaishnavism.
The teaching of Ramanujacharya were based on Vedanta philosophy.
The major teaching is that all beings are equal in the eyes of God.
He says that salvation comes through worshipping Sriman Narayana with love and dedication.
Non-dualism philosophy helped reconcile the differences between the Vedantic and Bhakti traditions of Hinduism. Regarding his childhood and education, Sri Ramanuja himself didn't grow up to become a priest, although he was born into a family of Brahmins. He is the religious reformer.
The teaching of Bhagavad Pad Ramanujacharya were prevalent and continue to be influential till now,
which emphasizes the unity of all things in the universe.
Sri Ramanujacharya went Vaikuntham at Sri Rangam.
He lived for 120 years and reached Parampad at 1137 CE.
Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Imperumanar Acharya Tiruvadigalai Sharanam. Yo Nityamachyutapadam Bhujayukma Rukma Vyamohatastaditarani Stranaya Mene. Asmad Guror Bhagavato Shadayaka Sindho Ramanujasya Charanau Sharanam Prapadde. As we commemorate the divine knowledge of Sri Ramanujacharya Divyagya Vardhatam Abhivardhatam, I would like to thank His Holiness Sri Swamiji for giving this wonderful opportunity. As we nurture the young minds, it's really essential to sow their brains with the divine knowledge of Sri Ramanujacharya. It would always be lesser how much we thank Swamiji and how much we talk about what he has done for all of us. Thank you so much, Swamiji, for letting this happen. Similarly, I would like to thank Sri Hari Krishna Bhandari Swamiji by helping us with the camera, and all of my dear students of Sri Venkatesh Gurukul. This would not have been possible without you guys. Thank you so much. Sri Ramanujacharya Divyagya Vardhatam Abhivardhatam. Jai Shriman Narayan.
Jai Shriman Narayana.